What's going on? Welcome to today's video. My name is Colton, and today I'll be demonstrating how to take this dryer door and make it swing the other direction. Currently, it opens to the left, and I want it to swing the other way, this way. I want to open here. So we're gonna take this, I'm gonna flip it around, and I'm gonna show you how. I would say this is probably one of the easiest DIY projects you can do in your house. All you need is either a screwdriver and some elbow grease or a drill. I would also caveat though, it doesn't always work for every model. Let me show you what I mean. These are LG washer and dryers. I can't remember the exact model. I'll put that down below in the description after I check it out. Currently it opens from the right to the left. You'll see these two screws, one on the top, one on the bottom. You'll also want to make sure that the screws have the same placement on the other side. Make sure you look at the dryer and see if it's symmetrical. If I were to draw a line right down the middle, you'll see that both sides mirror each other. Depending on the make and model of your dryer, you'll want to make sure that there's not any random flat sides or anything that will prevent you from changing the swing of the door from one side to the other. Usually this is less common for dryers, but a lot more common for washers. I'll show you that in a little bit. So really I'm just going to take this door and rotate it 180 degrees. So then the handle's on the left and it opens to the right. Crack it open and you're going to start removing screws. It usually doesn't matter if you start with the hinge or if you start with the other side, the latch. So this time I'm going to start with the latch. The screw at the top and the screw at the bottom are for the new placement of the hinge, and for this latch, these screws are a little bit smaller, so you want to make sure that these screws are identified and separate. For the latch, you're essentially going to see a little bit of curvature here. You're going to take that and rotate it, and you'll see the two different sizes of screws. Went back over to the hinge side and remove the top screw and the bottom screw. Don't lose these, that'd be bad. And so I take my door and I spin it a full 180 degrees for the new hinge to be on the other side. One call out here is for the latch holes. You'll see that there's two empty holes and two holes with screws in it. Make sure that that same orientation is mirrored for the other side, because in this case, if you actually look at the door hinge, there's these two little pegs that will go into the appropriate holes, and you'll be good to go to line it up and secure everything down. Now essentially you do everything in reverse. Make sure you're using the correct size screws. Make sure you also get everything all snugged down, and for the latch, you do just like what you did with the door, flip it 180 degrees and tighten that down. Make sure again, you're using the correct screws. Once you're all done, make sure you test out the door and you should be good to go. I want to show you what it's potentially like for something that does not have a reverse swing. You'll see the latch has these two little holes right here, and this hinge side has two holes like you saw on the dryer, but there's not a mirrored look for the other side where the latch is. So this won't work. I will say that almost every dryer that I can think of or that I've owned before, you can swap out the door with that orientation and how the swing goes. I will say though, that's not always the case with washers. I think times that you would want to make sure that the swing is the same is if your washer and dryers are stacked one over the other and they both swing against the wall or whatever the orientation is for that specific laundry room. But with this being side by side, I want the one door to open one way and the other door to open another to allow for really easy transfer of the clothes when they're done with the washer and then into the dryer. If you like what you just watched, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also comment down below what is your biggest pain with your washer and dryer. Also, I have other DIY videos that I've completed in the past. Go ahead and check those out. And if you have any questions or comments or concerns about how to change the orientation or the swing of your dryer door, please let me know. And thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.